Hello, welcome to Coding Mantra AI. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a logo. So, logo is essential for every business or whatever your ideas are. So, you can get a free logo in the beginning and then you can modify based on your requirement. So, today we are going to see how you can create a free logo. So, there is a one website logo.com I've used generally. So, it is pretty much easy as you can use. Let's start with the login. So I already have the login there. If you don't, you can sign up. So you can see that I already maybe created few logos earlier. Yeah, so few logos are already created by me earlier. Now let's try to create a new one. Yeah, so here you can give your business name, whatever your business name are. For example, right now I am creating for Coding Mantra. So now you can add your slogan if there is a slogan. If you don't want it in your logo, then you can skip that. My industry is, for example, my industry is artificial intelligence. Now I can select color theme, which colors I prefer more. So generally more I prefer blue ones. So I'm doing that. Now you can select which fonts you want to use. You can select multiple fonts. So for example, right now I'm wanted to use, yeah. So as you can select, I have selected full fonts. Now you can select which type of logos you wanted to create, with the icons or without icons. So I generally prefer with the icons. So here you can give keywords. So there is a 3 keyword it directly written from my name. So Coding Mantra AI. So these are 3 keywords. Now let's go. So it just generally give you us idea about logos. Yeah. So here you can see there is a multiple ideas available there. Okay. So you can go ahead with whichever you like more. For example, yeah, let's select any. Yeah, so I'm liking that. Okay, now we can customize this logo, fully customizable, available with that. So we can change the logo, we can change the icon also. Yeah, let's go with that. So for example, first of all, selection of color. There is also color, predefined color available there. Yeah, so it is better than previous. So colors and every preference based on your requirement and your opinion, because everyone has different choice. So yeah, let's go ahead with that. Sorry, yeah, it looks better. Now you can select container, which kind of shape or container you want to use. So there is a multiple selection available there. So this looks better, but see, yeah, because it is well written line this because of CA, but I wanted to use different way. But no issue. Oh, you can select any other container if you wanted, or otherwise we could change it. For example, you wanted this container. Yeah, so in this container we are trying to change that. So now you can add a trademark or something if you wanted to use. For example, if I already register for trademark, then I can add TM, something like that. There is different symbol also available. For example, as you can see this. Yeah. Again, there is a business name color change available there. Okay, and for example, let's try this template. Okay, this template does not allow different color name, but some template also have that you can write a coding as a different color and mantra as a different color. Now I can select fonts which I want. So if you remember earlier, we have given the preference of which font I wanted to use. Okay, so based on AI, I'm getting multiple options there. So these are common one. Yeah. So based on your preference, you can select whichever font. There is a too many options available. So we can select our best option and go ahead by that. Okay, for example, I'm right. Yeah. So for example, I like this. Okay, now let's go to another. If there is a slogan available, then these options are available. You can write a slogan and also have a different fonts for your slogan. Now we can select different icon. There is already icon available there, but if you are not satisfied with that, you can change icon based on your requirement. Yeah, go ahead with it. This demo we are going quickly, so we are selecting any icon available. Okay, for example, I like this here. Now at the last we have the preview, like how your logo will be displayed there. Okay, it also display how it will be displayed in a different surface and how it will be. So you can see that there is a business name, like color palettes and all the information available there. Okay, now let's go to the another final option. So there is a get logo options is there. So now our logo is created. Okay, there is different available different options available there. Now our logo is available. Now go to logo files. So if we see that there is a logo files available there. So if you click there, then all your logos in a different. Let's go and open that. Yeah, so if you see, so it's pretty much better. You get your logos in PNG, PDF, and if you see also, you has the without background, color, black and white. All logos are available after downloading this. And you can also download your branding. So it actually generally helping to match your fonts and color in your different documents. So you can get which fonts are used in this logo and which color palettes are used in this logo. So for example, you can see all the branding available there. Yeah, so your logo is ready. You can also download low resolution or high resolution logo based on your requirement. Okay, and if you see here, there is a favy icon is also available, and all the information are available. So these are about the logo.com, which I use generally for creating a logo on an initial base. You can have your designer after getting your first initial logo created, you can give them and they can do better enhancement on that. Yeah, so that's all for creating a logo free. Thank you.